Hi, welcome to your ReeTutorial. In this lesson, we are going to learn about how to create Google Adsense. Yes, how to create Google Adsense account. It is very important to earn online. So here is some steps to follow. Yes, you have to visit this site google.com/adsense/start. Then you have to sign up and enter the URL of the site that you want to show ads on, and then enter your email address. Choose whether you like AdSense to send you customize help and performance suggestions. There are some things, read it and click save and continue. Sign into your Google account, select your country, review and accept the Google AdSense terms and conditions. Then click create account. That's all. Let's see the video. First you go to the Google browser, type AdSense and click this link. There is page. Yes, on this page click this button, get started, and then yes, you have to sign up on this page. There is a URL of your site. Yes, I am going to sign up reemarker.blogspot.com. Then you have to give your email address. Yes, my email address given. Then click this radio button and save and continue button. Okay, next select your country. Yes, after click yes, send me customers or anything else, and then select your country. And what next? Yes, after accept terms and condition of Google's. Yes, there is terms and condition, you have to accept them and create account. Yes, then you have to do just press arrow button, just on this arrow button, just click and go next page like that. Just arrow button next, once again go next page, once again just arrow press buttons, go to next page. Okay, just fill up the form. This form we have hidden this page, but you have to fill up all of things. After I fill up, go to the next page and press button continue. Yes, congratulations, the AdSense widget has been added to your blog template. Yes, press continue button, press on this button and go to the next page. Yes, click yes radio button. Yes, your AdSense ad display settings. Here is a show ads on blog. Yes, on this radio button click on it and go to the next page. Select ad setup radio button. There is ad setup for blog. There are 3 set of things. You can select anyone else. I am going to select this one. Click on it and go to the next page. Yes, confirm your email. You have to confirm your email. After confirming the email, you have to connect your sites. Yes, connect your sites, copy the code below and paste it into the HTML of your sites and check the box and go to the next page. After doing this, go to the next page. Yes, it is reviewing your site to activate. Yeah, Google, they are reviewing your site. After reviewing, they will confirm your site. Yes, they will confirm. Then you have to wait AdSense account approval. Yes, Google, your AdSense account is awaiting for approval. You have to wait until then. Okay, that's all. It is very simple to create a AdSense account. So let's go to the next lesson.